Hi everyone to Tech Safari and welcome to the Coding Safari Java and Android. So today we'll see about how to download Android Studio. So first open your browser and type in Android Studio. So we'll go for the first link developer.android.com/studio. So we'll click on, as you can see, Android Studio is a very powerful IDE and helps us a lot in making apps. It also comes with a nice emulator that we can test our apps on without a real-time device. It also has code suggestions for us, and it has a flexible build system powered by Gradle, which we'll be getting to know in a few minutes. And here are a few videos that you could just go through the latest developments in Android Studio. So we have many channels in Android Studio, so we'll just go for the basic one. So the latest version presently is 3.4 and it's around 1.2 GB, 1.02 GB, something like that. Yeah, so we'll just go and read the terms and conditions and click on the download Studio for Mac button. Let me just click on that. Yeah, and it's going to start downloading Android Studio. It's going to take some time. And here it's almost done. Just wait for it, it's going to be almost done. It's almost done. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah, here we have it. Android Studio is downloaded. So now let's double click on the DMG to open it. You can just click on the skip button if you want. Let's just close Safari browser, we don't recommend. So all you need to do to install Android Studio is just drag this icon into the applications folder. So let's do that. And it's going to start installing Android Studio. So it's going to take some time. So it's almost done. Um, After this, we would need to install components. We'll see that, yeah, Android Studio has finished copying to the applications folder. Now we'll just run it using the um, by searching it here, the quick search, and go to or you could also go to applications and just search for Android Studio. You could eject this DMG file here. We don't require it anymore. And Finder is going to verify Android Studio as it's our first run. It's going to take time depending on your hardware. It's going to take around 1 to 2 minutes, or maximum 5 minutes. Then just click on open button, and Android Studio must be booting up. Just click on do not import settings. If you have an old installation, you could just select that installation folder, and here we have Android Studio up and running. Since it's the first boot, it's going to take some time. Just click on send your utilization to Google. It's going to get all the SDK components. Click on the next. So you can see we need some files for Android Studio to run. So just click on custom, If you can't, you could go for the dark mode or the light mode. I'll just go for the light mode. And here, if you are on an Intel PC, you would need to go for Intel HAXM and just leave the remaining settings default. Uncheck the Android virtual device. Give it about some 25% to 30% of your RAM. You could also give it 50% for the HAXM. Depending on that, your emulator speed will be fast enough. I'll just give 3.5 GB out of 8 GB. That would be 3584 MB. Yeah, and click on next. So the total download size is around 604 MB. Click on finish and it's going to start downloading all the SDK components that it's going to require. So here SDK means all the developer kit tools that the Android Studio would be requiring when we run an application or something like that. Now it's time to install HAXM. Install your given your password and click on OK. Oops. Yeah. So here HAXM increases the speed and efficiency of the Android emulator, which we are going to see how to create in a few minutes or in the next video. So once HAXM is installed, we should be up and running with Android Studio. So yeah, here we have finished downloading all the Android Studio components. In the next video, we're going to see about how to create an emulator. Till then,